Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I found some awesome laundry booster. I don't know if they're just changing the the packaging now, or they're just trying to step it up a notch on these stain boosters that they have at the Dollar Tree. So I still have the old one, and then I just purchased the new one. So today I'm going to show you I'm going to show you the fabric softener that they have in there now. And so I want to show you both of those, and we're going to see if they add in or they subtract in. And the fabric softener is Janelle. I can't really compare it with the regular fabric softener because they do still have these, and they recently purchased, or in the stores, not purchasing it, but they just bought these at the Dollar Tree. So this is the extra nice and fluffy fabric softener. It says for all machine types, so HE. So this one doesn't really say HE on it. This fabric softener, it doesn't say HE, but the newer ones now they are having it, they having the HE on them now, so which is a good thing right here. They're having that on there. So this is the Mountain Fresh. It says 30 loads, and this is in the 25 fluid ounce, and this is a 64 fluid ounce. I'm not gonna really compare because these are two different brands. So they still have these at the dollar, so this is just new. So you can still pick this up if you want to, but this smells way better than this one. This is the Island Fresh, and this is the Mountain Fresh. This one smells way better. Yeah, this one smells way better, like this. Okay, so if you want to purchase that, you can. So this is, yeah, look at that. So that's that. So this is the old fabric softener, and this is the new stain booster. Not the softener, the booster. What am I saying? Yeah, so this is the new one that they have in. So yeah, so it says total, it says the same thing. It said awesome totally laundry booster, and they say laundry brighter and color booster. This one says with stain lifter. So these are the two right here. Okay, so this and this, so since I have both, I will try this on the weekend and see how this works on my white clothes and my regular clothes. So I use them for both. So I will let you guys know how it is. I will post a video, but I will do an update underneath the comment section and update you guys what I feel about it. So this is 32 fluid ounce, and this is 32, so nothing is different on that. And ooh, this smells so good. Yeah, so the smell on this one is stronger, and this one it's not. So, but this one says stain lifter formula, and this one doesn't say stain lift. Yeah, this one said with stain lifter also. So yeah, so it is the same thing, but this smells way better than this one. It does have the same scoop as this one. So let me show you all in a better view. So this is the new one. So nothing really, if swallow, okay, precaution, avoid, total laundry, awesome laundry brightener will enhance the color and brighten up your clothes with safe and effective way. So this is what it looks like. It's nothing different, but I guess they just added, or they changed the name on this one. But like I said, it's nothing really different from this one here, you know. So might be like the packaging changing, you know, what Dollar Tree does, or maybe this is not. This is, I think this is Dollar Tree brand, but I'm not sure. But you know, you can correct me down in the comment section, but I think it's Dollar Tree brand, because this is the regular, nothing different from it, you know, as you can see. And this also, but like I said, the smell on this one is stronger than this one. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys, they do have this one now. It said brighter, and this one, it says booster on there. So if you see any of these, pick them up and try them. As you know, I have both, so you know, I purchased 3, but they have a lot of these, so they're not restricting you to not take as much as you want. But I only needed 3, so because I have 2 of those, so this will last me for about a month, you know. So yes guys, so that is that. Like I said, they still have this as well, fabric softener. It, you know, they, yeah, like I said, this might be something new they come in, because they do have this at Walmart, Dollar General, and everything else. So I guess the bottle also, they're trying to change the bottle formula and make it look like a brand name instead of Dollar Tree bottle itself. So yeah, like I say, I'm not too sure, but this really smells good, more than this one. But this has more flow downs than this one. So like I say, I'm trying this one. So this one says if you using a half, you know, medium load, just use half a cap of it. But if you using large load, you know, make sure you add enough extra, so maybe like a cup of it. You know, this looks like a cup, so you might want to use 2 of these to do a large load. But yes guys, I'm just bringing these things to your attention. I've always brought you guys things that I know they're worth your money, your dollar. And you know, I know a few of my girlfriends have seen the difference since they started using this awesome. So I continue to use them. They are not staining my clothes, they're just making my clothes more brighter and cleaner, as you know, daily. I don't have problems with it. So guys, so this is my review for these. Like I said, I will update you, you know, in the comment section, you know, after I posted the video and use these 2 products basically, and I will tell you underneath my update what I think about it and stuff like that. So alright guys, so I will see you guys later. Bye.